So the code is pretty simple. So it's just a video tag, and then you have several different attributes for the tag. You have standard height and width. You have controls, which will basically give you your playhead. Then you have other tags or other attributes such as muted and a few more, which I'm going to go through. So first, and this is the way it works. Basically, you have your source. So you have this source tag, and this is basically looking for that file that you have for the video. So here it's an MP4. Then you have the type, and you're just saying, okay, what type of video is this? It's an MP4, so it's pretty straightforward. You have two sources in here, because what you can do is you can have an alternative file format. Just in case MP4 doesn't work, here's this alternative file format called .ogg. But again, nowadays, every browser can, most modern browsers will be able to understand what the MP4 is, and you don't really need this as a fallback. So this is another format that's been popular for videos on the web, but you don't necessarily need it. MP4 is really popular. So in terms of outputting a video, and I can kind of show you some of this, MP4 is probably one of the most popular formats out there, but you also have .omv, that's QuickTime. So there's other formats out there, but MP4 is going to be one of the most popular ones. And you can actually make an MP4 in Photoshop pretty easily. And actually, I'm going to ask you guys, everybody here has a smartphone, right? Everybody should have like a smartphone. I mean, you're on video right now anyways. So the easiest thing you can do is just go out with your phone, especially today, it's beautiful out. Go out with your phone, take a little bit of video, and then upload it, you know, do a file share to your computer, and then use this video tag to actually put it into your web page.